just 0.5% in aerodynamic efficiency.
The structural integrity of the megadeck is paramount. We cannot afford any resonance issues near the tower stack.
Agreed.
Each Titan-class panel must withstand 3 times the loads of a conventional civilian hull.
From these panels, the Titan-class mega carrier will finally take shape. The Titan-class mega carrier hull starts with perfectly placed panels. There is no room for misalignment. Green lasers project reference lines along the Titan-class mega carrier's length, guiding robots in aligning frame segments to millimeter accuracy.
The synchronized tensioning of the primary hull cables locks the skeletal structure into place.
Titan-class mega-carrier hull is now ready for the most intricate systems.
Every control layer inside the Titan-class mega-carrier must hit absolute electrical precision.
The voltage spike on channel 3 exceeds the baseline.
Yes, but the current draw remains stable within the module.
All bridge interfaces for the Titan-class mega-carrier must respond smoothly, even in first simulations.
All control and monitoring systems of the Titan-class mega-carrier stand ready for the powertrain.
The Titan-class mega-carrier's engines weigh hundreds of tons, yet must remain precisely manageable.
Approaching maximum threshold. Prepare to stabilize.
Holding steady now. Perfect calibration.
Titan-class mega-carrier simulation. Current thrust curves within optimal parameters. Approaching peak towing equivalent.
The Titan-class mega-carrier engines are certified and ready for continuous duty. The Titan-class mega-carrier now stands complete. Testing begins.
This vessel must remain stable under any simulated condition.
The Titan-class mega carrier has passed every civilian standard check.
Sea trials confirm the vessel maneuvers exactly as designed.
A new monument of engineering sets sail. Titan-class mega carrier.